Unity in Action, a journey through collective strength. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a powerful concept that not only shapes great teams but also builds strong communities. We're talking about unity in action. This phrase is more than just words. It's a call to solidarity, cooperation, and collective effort. Stick around as we delve into what it truly means and how it manifests in various aspects of our lives. Unity in action is a phrase that combines two powerful concepts, unity and action. Unity signifies togetherness or being in harmony. Action, on the other hand, refers to the process of doing something to achieve a result. When combined, the phrase embodies the idea of individuals coming together, working towards a common goal, and achieving more as a collective than they could individually. It's about collaboration, shared effort, and a common purpose. In this section, we'll explore the strength that lies within unity in action. History is replete with examples where unity in action has led to monumental achievements. Be it in sports, where a team unites to win a championship, or in social movements, where people come together to fight for a cause, the power of collective action is undeniable. It's a testament to how much more we can achieve when we support one another and work together. Unity in action is not just for grand events or social movements. It's also part of our everyday lives. In this section, we'll look at everyday examples of unity in action. It could be as simple as a family working together to organize a household event, colleagues collaborating on a project, or a community coming together to support a local initiative. These scenarios underscore the importance of teamwork, cooperation, and shared responsibility in achieving common goals. Fostering unity in action requires conscious effort. In this section, we'll discuss how to cultivate this spirit in teams, communities, and organizations. It's about building trust, encouraging open communication, and creating an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. We'll also touch upon the role of leadership in nurturing unity and turning individual strengths into collective power. Unity in action is more than a concept. It's a practice, a mindset, and, most importantly, a journey. It's about coming together, respecting each other's contributions, and working towards a shared vision. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and power of unity in action and inspired you to embrace and practice it in your own life. Remember, when we move forward together, success follows. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.